Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be unboxing this blackberry, what is it, a blackberry, hang on, yeah, I'll just put it on this side, a blackberry transport, or passport. Now, this is the 2018 model, as you can see from the side here. I'm blurring some of that. Yeah, as you can see, I got this from Goodwill, because it's a Goodwill sticker. So we're going to unbox it here. So, box transition. Oh, wow. It's like it's never been used before. Texting and driving. It can wait. That's epic right there. I assume this just kind of comes out here. The phone just kind of comes out. And, oh, wow. Okay, we come with a SIM card. Come with a prepaid SIM card. And the actual
blackberry
phone right here. Just gonna do some nice satisfying peels here. So nice. From the front. Very nice. Alright, so I'm going to put the phone to the side here for now. Let's see what we got for peripherals. So we got a branded
blackberry
charging brick. Put to the side here, very nice. Just, let me see if I can open this box here. Actually, I'm just going to grab these first. Actually, a very nice micro USB cable. I actually need more of these. I barely have any laying around, unlike the ink pods, because it's not an ink pods video. Got some nice headphones here. Let's see. Yeah. Actually, those don't look too bad. I'm going to give these a try, actually. Okay, so I just gave it a test here. They're not terrible. Now, when I compare these to Beats, yeah, you can hear such a real difference. But yeah, comparing that, just like if I was just driving with these, I'd actually be okay with it. They're better than Dollar Tree. Tell me how I know. I've been on road trips for pairs of headphones have died and I had to buy those stinky things. All right, anything under here? Let me guess. Shows like spare. I mean, there's a whole box here. Oh. Thing. If I can figure out how to open this box without ruining it. To come open from the side. How are you supposed to open this? There we go. Okay, so, no wonder this smartphone has awesome power and speed. It's got the heart of a dragon, and the heart of devices you love. Oh, that's actually kind of sweet. What's on the back? Let's see. Quality on Snapdragon processors, a capable device, breathtaking speed, jaw-dropping graphics, blah, blah, blah. Okay, yeah. And then just a weird manual on how to use it. Alright, anyways. Back to the, oh, it's heavy! Back to the device here. See if it has a charge. Straight out of the box here. I don't think that's the power button. Oh, I think it's on the button. Okay. I'm gonna leave that on actually for a bit. Yeah, well, I don't need my monitor plug. Actually, I can do this. I'm gonna plug in its charging brick here. It's real branded USB-C, or not USB-C, micro USB cable. I'm gonna give it a good little smell here. So I can figure out how to open the packaging. I'm about to get some pair of scissors. Okay. See if this kind of just like slides off, or can I pull it? It's a little pull tab here. There we go. Oh, it's like heavy and nice. This is like my first time ever opening a brand new smartphone. No joke, I buy everything used. Not that this is any different, but brand new box. Anyways, I don't think the cable's quite long enough, but I can get it plugged in for you at least. There we go. Okay, it's charging. I flat out could not wait for it to charge, so I just got another charger here. It's been about like 10 minutes or so. But anyways. Phone is booted. Welcome to BlackBerry. I agree. To connect to a mobile network. Okay, I'm just gonna skip that. I thought this said scamming. I was like, what? Alright, we're just gonna. Okay guys, so I just finished doing the BlackBerry ID skip thing. Okay, so we have the Amazon store. I'm probably gonna flash this with Android or something in the future. But, okay, yeah, let's see. Where's the browser on this thing? There it is. Let's see if this is online or not. Google.com. I said Google, not Google.com. Okay, yeah, it's on the internet. Oh, now let's see if I can get to YouTube.com. Okay, so I can get to Google. So now let's see if I can get to YouTube because hopefully it doesn't have right in system. So I should be able to get my channel, I think. If it loads. Yes, okay, so I'm going to go to my channel. Oops. There it is. Okay, there it is. Let's see, let's try, let's just do True Over SMP Season 2. Let's do Episode 1. Yeah. Does it have rotation support? No. A little bit weird of an angle, but it works. She runs YouTube.
Today, we will be playing Minecraft gameplay for these nerds.
Okay, so it can't be like... It can't be like that old because it's running YouTube. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the
blackberry
phone here. I don't know what's going on here. Can I get to home screen? There we go. No, I don't. No, I will do this later. Looks like we have the Amazon store on here. I don't really like that. Got some, like, other applications. Got BlackBerry. Okay, I guess we'll try out the camera. One thing y'all have been waiting for. for me to peel this back finally. Okay. Alright, well that was interesting. I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe. Bye.
Blackberry. Blackberry.